Would you like to learn an easy method to instantly stop food cravings or food urges or even binge eating? Well, keep watching this video and you'll be able to stop binge eating in its tracks. And what we're going to use is called the Mandel 6-step tapping. And I learned this from Mike Mandel. And it's based on Robert Smith's Faster EFT. So the first thing you need to do is name that urge. And it could be chocolate or cheese, maybe it's pizza, or salt, chips, cake, pie, pop, whatever. Whatever the urge is, name it. Okay, and then rate it on a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 meaning there's no thought about it at all, to 10 to, get out of my way, I got to have it now. And so give that a rating. And then I'm going to ask you, how bad can you make it right now? So I'm going to use chocolate for my example. So whatever you're using, whatever that urge is for you, pick that and think about that. So for chocolate, I might think of, chocolate cake, or maybe I'm thinking about a chocolate bar or chocolate chip cookies, or maybe just a bag of chocolate chips, or, whatever. Just think about chocolate and see how bad you can make it now. So if it was a 4 before or a 2 before, make it at 8. See if you can make it an 8. Okay? And then what we're going to do is the tapping, and there's 6 locations. And so it goes like this, and you can do this along with me. And it's at the top of the head. So just put your hand at the top of the head, kind of cup it a bit so you get the whole area there. And you say, let it go. Letting go of the cravings for chocolate. Then you come down here on your forehead. 4 fingers, just do a line here. Letting go. Letting go of the urge to eat chocolate. And then over here at the side, right here on the bone, I'm letting go now. Letting go of the cravings totally. And then down here on the bone underneath the eye, I'm totally letting go. I don't need it anymore. Okay, and then down here on the collarbone, and it's just off to the side, I've totally let it go. Letting go. And for the last one is to grip your wrist here and hold your wrist. Totally letting go. I've let it go. And then for the last one, you inhale, and then when you exhale, you let your arm go, and you say peace. Peace. Okay? And then you check to see where it is again. On the scale of 0 to 10, where is it? And the idea here is to keep going through this cycle until you zero it out and the cravings are totally gone. And that can be done in just a few seconds. It might take you a minute or 2 minutes. Even if it takes you a couple minutes, that's better than going out and binge eating. So get ready to do it now. And start and do it with me. Let it go. Letting go of the cravings for chocolate. Letting go. Letting go of the urge to eat chocolate. I'm letting go now. I'm totally letting go of these cravings now. Totally letting go of these cravings. I don't need it anymore. I've totally let it go. Totally letting go. I'm completely letting this go. Peace. Okay. And that's all there is to it. Now you can tap again and tap in what you want instead. So if you want to say, I'm satisfied, I feel good enough, you can do that with the tapping if you want, or you can just tap on this spot here. I am good enough. I'm satisfied. I'm good enough. I am satisfied. And that's all there is to it. So use this anytime that you feel the urge to eat. And that's it for this episode. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I release more videos like this. And you can go to my website for a free 15-minute strategy session. And it's jeffbroomfield.com, and you can find more information in the comments below. So till next time, have a good one.